As Ukrainian holds many precision weapon systems, they can scout out, wait and hit with precision. As this Ukrainian drone spots a BM-21 Grad system driving, sending away some rockets, the drone just follows the Grad system to see where the hiding spot is, so the coordinates can be sent back to most commonly a HIMARS system. As the non-armored target becomes very vulnerable and easily destroyed by such a strike, as the BM-21 goes into hiding, the position is sent back. Only sending a single GMLRS rocket that hit with the needed precision to destroy the system, taking out another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.